Standard 2nd, Subject GK, Lesson 6, Animal Shelters. The house of animals and insects is called as shelter. Animals need shelter because it gives protection to them from bad weather conditions such as cold, heat, rainfall, wind, etc. It also protects animals from human abuse. Students, animal shelters not only provide protection to animals, but it provides protection to human beings also from animal attacks. For example, in our locality, it protects us from dog bite, cat bite, snake bite, ant bite, and attack of honeybees. Students, domestic animals, wild animals, and insects live in different types of shelters. These shelters can be made up of either natural materials such as leaves, bamboos, branches, wood, grass, stones, and sand. It can also be made up of artificial or man-made materials such as bricks, cement, and steel. So students, let us see what are the different types of shelters in which domestic animals, wild animals, and insects live for their protection as well as our protection. So students, let us first start with shelters of domestic animals. This is a shed. A cow is kept in a shed. It protects cows from extreme heat and rainfall and allows them to feed. Some cow sheds are made using natural materials such as grass and bamboos, whereas some are made by man-made materials. This is a stable. Horse lives in a stable. They are mostly made up of wood and gives protection to horse. This is a kennel. Dogs live in kennel. This is a sty. Pigs live in sty made up of mud. This is a burrow made up of sand. Rabbits live here. This is a pen. A sheep is kept in a pen which has green grass. This is a coop. Hen lives in coop in farms. This is a hole. Mouse lives in a hole. Students, let us now have a look at shelters of wild animals. The king of the jungle, lion, lives in a den in jungle. It also keeps its cubs and food inside the den. Snake lives in a hole made up of mud. It also keeps its eggs there. Let us now see where tiny insects live. This is a hive. Honeybees live here and make honey. This is an ant hill. Ants live here. This is a cobweb where spider lives. Spider makes it on its own. Students, do you know that birds also have their shelters? Birds live in nest. It is made up of branches and leaves. Birds keep their eggs in nest. So students, animals, insects and birds live in different types of shelters. Thank you.